how does the income actually work for Amazon Publishing or KDP Publishing? It's simple. Most people think that you need a best-selling book in order to make any money with book sales. And yeah, maybe 20 years ago, that was what it was. You had to write a best-selling book. It had to be on like the New York Times bestsellers list or whatever the case is. That's not the case anymore. Now we use this strategy called title stack. And what it is we strategically publish books based on certain topics, based on the research that we get from Amazon's own website that tells us these are the books that are currently selling right now. These are the books, how much money they're making. And then we go ahead and publish books on those particular topics. Sometimes you have 4 books making $250 each, and it's $1,000 a month. Sometimes it might be 5 books making $200 each. Sometimes you might just have 2 books making $500 each. Either way, there's a lot of different ways to make your first $1,000 a month with this business. When I was broke and hated my job and needed to find a way out for me and my family, Kindle publishing was the easiest first $1,000 I had ever made. It only took me 4 books. It might take you a bit longer. It might not take you a bit longer, but by far making that first $1,000 a month, I'll never forget it. It was December of 2016. I will never forget it. That's exactly what I did. I found some topics that are already selling. People were already buying these books on Amazon. And so all I did was do some research, make better ones, upload them, bada bing, bada boom. Amazon started paying me money. Hey, real quick, if you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day publish and profit challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day 1 is finding your topic, creating a book title, getting your cover locked in. Day 2, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day 3, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the SKOOL group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now.